Hi, this is Steve Withers, and welcome to a short video review of the Sim2 Nero-2. The Nero is Sim2's new line of single-chip 3D DLP projectors. The Nero-2 itself retails for just under £16,000, and that doesn't even include the 3D glasses and emitter, so it isn't cheap, but then such highly engineered products rarely are. The Nero-2 comes in a curvaceous chassis, familiar from Sim2's Loomis line of projectors, but the colour scheme is matte black for a more discreet placement in a darkened environment. At the rear there is an impressive set of connections that includes two HDMI inputs, component video and composite video inputs, and a VGA input. In addition, you will find an RS-232 serial connector for system control, as well as a USB port and three 12-volt triggers. There is also a connection for an optional outboard 3D emitter, and the emitter itself has now been redesigned by Sim2 to give it some Italian flair. Sim2's active shutter glasses are rebadged X-band glasses that are well designed to provide a wide field of view but also block out any ambient light. The remote control is the standard Sim2 model, and it remains one of the least intuitive remotes ever made. However, anyone spending £16,000 on a projector will undoubtedly use some form of system control. The menu system is the same layout that Sim2 have used for a number of years and provides access to all the basic image controls as well as a number of picture presets. The out-of-the-box grayscale performance was excellent, with gamma tracking at the target of 2.4 and the RGB balance producing relatively small errors. The colour performance wasn't quite as good, with a sizable error in green resulting in an overall green tinge to the image and errors in the secondary colours of yellow and cyan. However, the Nero-2 can be calibrated using Sim2's incredible live colour calibration software, which allows for an unprecedented level of control. As a result of using the live colour calibration software, the calibrated performance of the Nero-2 was virtually perfect, with a reference performance in both grayscale and colour gamut. The 2D performance on the Nero-2 was superb, with bright and detailed images and impressive motion handling. The reference grayscale and colours resulted in an incredibly film-like image that was a pleasure to watch. The 3D performance was a Western standard, with the higher light output and faster refresh rate of DLP resulting in bright 3D images that were free of any crosstalk. Whilst the Sim2 Nero-2 isn't cheap, it does offer an impressive overall performance, especially in 3D. Although the black levels and dynamic range let it down slightly, the Nero-2 delivers a refined and classy picture that is hard to resist. We are happy to award the Nero-2 a highly recommended badge, and you can read the full in-depth review at www.avforums.com/reviews. Thanks for watching.